Hi, I'm Dr. Sandifer of Champion Chiropractic Center. I've been asked to do some stretching videos that I teach in our office. So this is our cervical series, the 6 stretches in 3 planes. So flexibility is important. After you get your past 30, you'll get some stiffness, some aches, some pains. Flexibility will decrease injuries also. Another reason of why to do stretching is we want to take and help our muscles get back to their normal length that they should be on there. Motor units need to come back to stretch. Hi, I'm Dr. Sandifer with Champion Chiropractic Center and Clinical Nutrition. Here today to talk about the 6 stretches in the 3 planes. This is the low back series. So the first one we're going to do, as you have seen with the others, is a plane, and the first plane is going to be the forward and back stretching on there. So we're going to do forward. We're going to start in the chair, and we're going to go forward like you're going to touch the floor. Good. Concentrating on the lower back. Now before we had to tuck the chin, that was more the upper back, but right now we're not concentrating on upper back, we're concentrating on lower back. So she's doing a forward stretch there. Good job. Okay. And the backward stretch, we're going to keep her in the seated position on there, and then you're going to do an extension back. Good. Now we're going to show variation on this extension back because, go ahead and stand for me, Serena, because you can do it in different positions, postures on there. One of the best postures we can do for the back, because it's very unstable and it's shaky on there, is try to steady yourself a little bit. Put your hands on each side and then go back, gentle, and then there's your stretch there. One of the things, if you take and look up, you're going to finish the stretch. Good job. All right, another variation on this is actually laying down. So Serena, I'm going to bring you over to the table and go face down for me. There you go. Good. All right, so what we're going to have you do is that backwards motion. You're going to put your hands either there or on the side of the table here. Good, and you're going to come up. There you go. Gentle. She's very flexible. She's 20-something young, right? And those of us that are 30s, 40s, 50s, and 60s probably aren't going to get to this posture. But that's okay. Just do it at your ability. So as long as you understand a plane, the forward and back movement, you can take and figure out which posture position is going to be your best. Alright, so then that's the forward and back plane. We're going to do the side plane now, and the side stretches, hand down on the side, and the other one up in there. There you go. Now you're doing your side lean stretch on there, concentrating lower back. Good job. Come on back the other way. There you go. Good job. Now you can do this seated too, in the seated position, just down on the side here and up like this. It's the same movement as we're doing. And you can decide which one your ability is going to allow you to do. Alright, so rotation. We're going to do it standing and rotation in the lower back. There you go. She's showing you the standing one. Go ahead and switch to the other side. There you go. Good job. And I'll show you the one that's lying down. So we're going to be on our back, knees bent, shoulders kept down, and we're going to rotate at the low back. This is the one that I do before I go play racquetball. Over. So that's rotation. While we're sitting, we can do one just like this too. Now this is like the forward lean. It's the same mechanics. It doesn't matter whether you have your head down or up. Either way, up's going to give you a little bit more pull tension right down the lower back. Go ahead and put your feet down. There you go. There you go. When you stretch, you should kind of relax with it and allow the tissue to elongate. There you go. Back the other way. Go ahead and just drop. There you go. Nice job. Putting that rotation in that lower back. Good job. All right, and this is the one. Yeah, we're going to bring her back just a little bit more. There it is. Good. Nice. Okay, so that takes and finishes up the 6 stretches in the 3 planes. Now we're going to put a couple others for the hips now. So we're going to do the seated hip stretch. Go ahead and sit. All right, she's going to figure 4 in the seated position. Good. When she's there, she's going to try to sit up straight. And not so much movement in the lumbar spine. We're going to keep that straight, but most of the movement at the hip so that you can get right at the cheek, the butt cheek there. Good job. Are you feeling that? Yeah, but sure. It's a good one. All right. Good, and then hold. Nice job. All right, come back. Now switch. And put that one down, this one up. Good. Sit up straight. There you go. And you're moving so that you're getting the glute muscle back there. Good. And if you take and move the chin down just a little bit more, do you see how that tightens that up too? You finish your stretch with the neck. Good job. Okay, so that's the back part of the hip muscles, but there's also front muscles of the hip too. So we're going to take and do a psoas hip flexor stretch. And we're going to put you kneeling down. All right, so when you're doing this, this is unstable. Hold on to something, okay? A chair. Good, go ahead and look forward. All right. Okay, very good. She's very flexible in her hip flexors. Most of you aren't going to get that way on there. I'll show you with me, and and then go ahead and change and come up. She's down on one knee, 1 foot forward. It's a lunge. There you go. All right, that's good. Nice job. All right, let me show you the more than double age. So I can't get all the way down there, but this is my hip flexor in there. And some are going to be just about right here and feel it. That's okay. You do what your body will allow you to do. Okay, so that's your hip flexor and extensor stretching. And thank you for watching today.